Comfort inside your home shouldn't depend on the season. Whether it's the heat of summer or the occasional chill of cooler months, your living space should feel consistent and inviting all year long. For homeowners in Coppell, replacement windows offer a powerful solution for improving indoor comfort while also enhancing energy efficiency and overall home performance. One of the most noticeable ways replacement windows improve comfort is by reducing drafts. Older windows often develop small gaps over time due to wear, shifting frames, or outdated materials. These gaps allow outdoor air to enter and conditioned air to escape. In Coppell, this can mean hot air creeping in during the summer and cooler air affecting comfort during seasonal changes. Modern replacement windows are designed with tighter seals that eliminate these drafts, creating a more stable indoor environment. Temperature regulation is another key benefit. Replacement windows are typically built with double or triple pane glass, often filled with insulating gas between the panes. This design reduces heat transfer, helping to keep your home cooler during hot days and more comfortable when temperatures drop. In a climate like Coppell's, where summers can be intense, this improved insulation makes a significant difference in how your home feels. Low emissivity glass coatings further enhance this performance. These coatings reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. This means you can enjoy bright, sunlit rooms without the added warmth that often comes with direct sunlight. The result is a comfortable, well-lit space that doesn't overheat. Another important factor is consistent indoor temperatures. If you've ever noticed certain rooms feeling warmer or cooler than others, your windows could be part of the issue. Replacement windows help create a more even distribution of temperature throughout your home, eliminating hot and cold spots. This balance makes every room more enjoyable to use, no matter the time of year. Noise reduction is an added benefit that contributes to comfort. Modern windows with multiple panes and improved ceiling help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. In Coppell neighborhoods, this can mean less distraction from traffic or nearby activity, allowing you to relax and enjoy your space more fully. Humidity control is another area where replacement windows make a difference. Inefficient windows can allow moisture to enter your home, leading to a sticky or uncomfortable indoor atmosphere. New windows with proper sealing help keep humidity levels in check, making your home feel fresher and more comfortable. Ventilation also plays a role in year-round comfort. Many replacement window styles, such as double-hung or casement windows, allow you to control airflow easily. During milder weather, you can open your windows to bring in fresh air, reducing reliance on your HVAC system. This flexibility adds to your overall comfort while supporting energy efficiency. Energy savings are closely tied to improved comfort. When your windows perform efficiently, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain the desired temperature. This not only reduces energy bills but also prevents your system from running constantly, creating a more relaxed and consistent indoor environment. Durability is another advantage of modern replacement windows. Built with materials like vinyl or fiberglass, they resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. This ensures they continue to perform well over time, maintaining comfort without requiring frequent repairs or adjustments. Proper installation is essential to achieving these benefits. Even the best windows won't perform effectively if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a tight fit, proper sealing, and optimal alignment, allowing your windows to deliver maximum comfort and efficiency. In addition to performance, replacement windows enhance your home's overall appearance. With a variety of styles and finishes available, you can choose windows that complement your home while improving its functionality. Ultimately, replacement windows are an investment in your home's comfort and quality of life. For homeowners in Coppell, they provide a reliable way to create a more consistent, energy-efficient, and enjoyable living environment throughout the year. If your current windows are struggling to keep up with seasonal changes, Upgrading to modern replacement windows can transform your home, making it more comfortable every day, no matter the weather outside.